Hi everyone, here we'll have a look on delivering and deploying of edge analytics along with its applications. First we'll see how to deliver edge analytics. Getting into edge analytics is not an overnight task. It involves creating the analytics model, deploying the model and executing the model at the edge. There are decisions that need to be made in each of these areas with respect to collecting data, preparing data, selecting the algorithms, training those algorithms on a continuous basis, deploying and redeploying the models, and so on. Here, the processing or the storage capacity at the edge also plays a very important role. Some of the merging deployment models include decentralized model and peer-to-peer deployment models. And all the models has its own benefits and limitations. Next we'll see where is edge analytics deployed the most. Edge analytics is an exciting area with organizations in industrial IoT increasing their investments year on year. Leading vendor companies are aggressively investing into this fast growing area. We know that edge analytics benefits organizations where data insights are needed at the edge. Segments like retail, manufacturing, energy, smart cities, transportation, and logistics are leading the way in deploying the edge analytics. Some specific use cases are retail customer behavior analysis, remote monitoring and maintenance for energy operations, fraud detection at financial locations like ATMs, and monitoring of manufacturing and logistics equipment. Other fields that are greatly benefited from deploying edge analytics are customer engagement analysis, online banking, and remote controlling in healthcare applications. Edge AI, that is artificial intelligence video-based analytics, has found a wide application in lots of domains, preferably in educational domain. It can transform teaching learning process by giving revolutionary solutions in terms of presenting learning videos in a new and innovative way. For example, Sony presented its artificial intelligence edge analytics based solution for creating the video content. Its main unit, in combination with various licensed appliances, proves to elevate video streaming to a new dimension. With just an edge analytics box and a camera, educators and presenters can employ handwriting extraction, gesture recognition, focus cropping, and audio tracking in real time, which means unleashing the full potential of video content while discovering the new ways of audience engagement. Healthcare is another area where IoT continuously makes a profound impact on all the industry players. It is actively used in the development of applications for patient status monitoring, diagnostics, monitoring of temperature, moisture, and UV radiation in medical product storage, as well as analysis on the environmental conditions. On an average, a hospital deploys up to 85,000 connected devices, creating a great pressure for the cloud network. So, edge analytics is the optimal method of eliminating overload and addressing the storage security and connectivity issues in a cost-effective way. Further, we know that innovative technologies are being introduced to healthcare every year. The concept of edge analytics opens the possibility of creating an optimal model of managing the data transfer from the edge and smart data storage at the data centers. Advanced analytics methods, regardless of the domain of their application, work behind the scenes to predict failure of the system components, maintain functioning of the devices, and keep the smooth workflow unbroken. As an overall, edge analytics capabilities are actively employed in creation of smart machines operating on self-responsive actions and predictive outcomes. In specific segments like retail, manufacturing, energy, and logistics, edge analytics delivers quantifiable business benefits by reducing latency of decisions, scaling out analytics resources, solving bandwidth problem, and potentially reducing expenses. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends.